welcome back to the channel. So I know in the community tab I had put a little poll in there for you guys to tell me what shoes you would like me to wear in this specific video, and I did wear them. I wore the patent black slingbacks. These are actually pretty old heels that I've had for a long time. Like, look at the bottom, like it's really worn in. So that's why I had no problem to go for a walk today. Oh my gosh, I think I lost a heel even. One of the heels came off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these heels are done. I'm probably gonna need to buy another one, I guess. And I was walking in the sand and like some of the mud with them today. I went down by the beach area with my little puppy to take him for a walk. What I initially wanted to do, which is why I'm in the kitchen right now, as you can see back there, I wanted to juice today. In my previous video, I was talking to you guys about wanting to start some healthy diets and juicing and eating healthy foods. And if you go way back in my channel, you'll see that I used to do vegan recipes and cooking, etc. And I kind of want to do a little bit of that. So I want to make some recipes for you guys in the kitchen, wearing my heels, probably get a little apron or something. Tell me if you guys like that idea. But today, when I went to the grocery store to buy some fruits and vegetables for me to juice for you guys and show you guys some, you know, juice recipes, some healthy juice recipes. I'm not gonna give away what I was gonna do yet. When I went to the grocery store, this is what happened. Now, I'm telling you guys, I've seen this on the news, I've seen this like on Instagram and on YouTube, but it has never been like this in my neighborhood. And maybe it's because usually I grocery shop early in the morning that I avoid this, but I went in the afternoon, you know, early evening time tonight, and it was so packed. It didn't make any sense for me to go in there and record a video and just to buy fruits, just to be in there for like 2 hours, right? So there was a little detour for this video. I still wore the heels that you guys chose, but I decided, like I said before, just to take my little pup Copper for a walk. So I hope you guys like that video.
Kind of like how you did when you went for a walk last time. Let's try not to talk that much.
Well, that is my video. I hope you liked my little stroll down by the beach with my little puppy. And like I say all the time, please subscribe, comment, like, share, and donate to the channel. All of the links are in the description where you can find me online and how you can go about donating to the channel if that's something that you would like to do. All right, so once again, I will see you in the next video, and hopefully it will be me going into the grocery store and providing some healthy juice and meal recipes for while we're on our lockdown. All right, ladies and gents, engage with me in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.